Hey guys, for today's video is how do we add eye-catching animations to your Canva project or your Canva video. So for example, we can use create, then we can check videos. Landscape video, upon selecting landscape video, here we can do some videos here. It's like a video editor like CapCut. So imagine a video editor inside Canva. So here we can just put some kinds of videos like let's say nature. So here we can select the video. Let's say we select two videos. So here we can see that there are two videos here. So now how do we add animations to these videos? So we just click here. We click on elements. Click on the video. Upon clicking, we click edit. After clicking edit, we can see here that there are a lot of features. Filters, apps, background, Magic Studio, and many more. So we can filters, but for me I will choose animation. So how to get to animation? To get to animation, we will just go to animate. Then after clicking animate, here we can see a lot of animations: shake, zoom, whip, slide, old TV, chroma wave. So let's say brush is better. Then in the second stance, we put spray paint. So once you play the video, it would look like this. You can see that it's way better than how plain it used to be. You can see how eye-catching the transitions are. So that's how you add animations to your Canva videos. And we can see here that there are more animations here that you can put. So that's all for today's video. I hope that you learned a lot from me and you can apply this to your Canva projects. And off to the next one.